Hi guys, welcome to Shail's Kitchen, home of good food and good memories. And today we are taste testing some fried chicken from Publix Supermarket. I just had a fried chicken craving. And I'll tell you what, I was shopping at Publix and that aroma of that fried chicken, I said, well, let me not get an 8-piece, but I will get 2 drumsticks, and I want to show you how they look. The 2 drumsticks cost $3.19, so let's open this up. Look at that. Fabuloso. I have to tell you, just looking at it in the bag doesn't really do it justice, so I'm going to have to take this out to give you a closer look. Don't want it to fall out. Look at the size of that. Just gorgeous. And the other one is just as big. Now it's time to chow down. I just want to give you a frame of reference in terms of how big these drumsticks are. See, this is my hand there, and it is almost as big as my hand. They truly are enormous. Okay, are you ready? So let's check the crunch factor. And nice and juicy on the inside. Thank you so much for joining me for Shail's Kitchen Travels. I got another one to go yet. And we just went down the road to get this, but we still had to travel, so it counts. See you next time.